Hello there, it's me Sibin here. I'm here to present an exciting update. Libromi is introducing another powerful feature, a booking management system integrated with Google Calendar. Plenty of our customers requested for a stable booking management systems like clinics, hospital, gym clubs, saloons, etc. Then we thought there is a powerful and very advanced system already in the market. It is better to integrate with the same. So that is Google Calendar. So here you can collect bookings through a WhatsApp chatbot. I will show you how it works first, and then I will show you how to build this chatbot. So now let's see how this chatbot works. To trigger this chatbot, I'm sending the shortcode #startbooking. But for the normal users, they just need to send a hi to trigger the bot. Okay. So hello Sibin, welcome to appointment booking chatbot. Your good name please. So I'm entering my good name, that is Sibin. And then it is asking for my email ID, that is support@libromi.com. Now please select a date to view the available slot. So I'm selecting, so these are the available slots. So it has pulled from Google Calendar, and we can configure how to configure these slots. I will come to that when I explain the configuration part. So here you can see it's starting from September 16th, Monday, 10 slots available from 9 a.m. to more slots. Similarly, there are 5 slots here. So if I choose 17th, for example, so it's 16, then it will send back the available slots for that particular day. So here I'm selecting 10:30 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. I have shared my Google Calendar here, also the WhatsApp screen. So if a booking confirmed here, it will automatically create a booking within this calendar. Okay. So if I click confirm, let's see. Yeah, a booking confirmation message is received on my phone, and also a booking is automatically created here. So if I click here, you can see an appointment with Sibin for appointment, which can be configured. You can even add guest and all other details. So I will come to that. So you can see an appointment is automatically created. And next is if I want to cancel, I can click cancel and cancel this appointment. I can reschedule this one. Let's see if I try to make an appointment again. For example, after 2 or 3 days, if I want to reschedule or make another appointment, the same chatbot will trigger. But for example, if I click new booking again, now it is asking me, you have an existing appointment, what you would like to do. There is an appointment on 16th, 10:30 to 10:45. So I can reschedule that. And now it is asking me which slot to reschedule. So if I have more than one appointments, all the appointment slot will be displayed here. And then I can continue. And then it is asking to confirm the cancellation. So if I confirm the reschedule, it will cancel this appointment and the same chat flow will continue to book the next appointment. And there is one more thing I would like to mention. When you confirm an appointment, you will immediately receive an email from Google to add it to your calendar. So now I will show you how to implement this chatbot within Libromi. Now let's create an appointment booking chatbot from the scratch. Create a chatbot. And then when a user send a message, this module will trigger. Just after that, I'm asking the name. Actually, you can start with asking the department, for example, if it is for a clinics, and then navigate to the doctor's list. From there, you can navigate to the booking module. Similarly, for a gym, for a saloon, it will be different. But for the demo purpose, I'm directly asking for the name. So here, please enter your name. Okay. And then it will save the name to the name variable using the input variable. So that is name. And next we need the email ID. So use the message module again and ask for the email ID. Please enter your email ID and then use the input module email to validate the email. So the email will be validated so that user cannot send any other string. So this will be email. So it is saving the variables as email. So next we can use the Google Calendar module. Simply drag and drop here. Connect the edge with the group 2. Click within the configure option to configure this chatbot. Click expand, click new. It will navigate to the Google out screen. Let's see, now I'm selecting support@libromi.com again. So it will get enough permissions to fetch all your calendars. So here I'm selecting support@libromi. The next is click select a calendar and connect new. And here it will fetch all your calendar. So just click here so you can see. I'm selecting the default calendar and giving it a name, support. Okay. And then connect. That's it. Now you can expand and configure. So here, first thing is you need to provide the personal details which we collected from here. So the name will be the name variable and the phone will be, we need to enable this static variable to get the default phone number without collecting it from the user manually. So that will be stat_phone number. And next will be email, that is email. So the collected information is used here. And now next is the settings. We can define what will be the duration of each booking slot. So right now it is 15 as a default, but you can change it to 30 or any other available values here. So next will be buffer time. So this is a gap between one slot to the another. And the next is the time zone. This should be based on where you operate the business from. And next is maximum booking per day. For example, if you're running an event or something, you can define like 100 tickets. So only the 100 people can make the appointment. So like that. The next one will be maximum days in advance booking. If you make it 10 days, for example, the slots for the next 10 days will be available for the user to make the appointment. The next one is minimum time before booking. So right now it is set to 30 minutes default, which means the user can only make an appointment prior to 30 minutes. The next option is override appointment duration. If you enable this feature, right now you can see appointment duration is 30 as default. So if you enable a operation time between 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. for example, it will divide with 30 minutes and create multiple slots. But if you override this appointment duration, that 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. will consider as a single slot. Okay, the next one is appointment title. For this can be for as a gym instruction, or it can be a doctor appointment. So you can give a title. This will display on the email notification. And the next one is the minimum time before slot cancellation. So you can only cancel prior to this defined time. And next is override reminders. So if you enable reminders, the Google will automatically send email to the user. For example, if you enable email before 1 day, Google send an email automatically to remind the user. And the next is common availability. So here is the part you can configure your operational time. So right now for Sunday, there is no slot available, which means Sunday is off day. Same for Friday and Saturday. And if you want to add a slot for Saturday, for example, you can click plus, and then you can see a slot automatically created from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. But you can change it to 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then create another slot within the same day. So you can see from 12:30 to 3:30, I can create another slot. Similarly, you can create multiple slots. So if you enable override appointment duration, so this 9 to 12 will consider as a single slot. If it is disabled, the slots from 9 to 12 will be split as multiple slots with the 30 minutes duration. And the next one is specific availability. For example, there is a calendar for the next 6 days. And then for that particular day, you can define a custom availability. So that is very advanced. For a particular day, you may have a different availability. You can configure that here. So it's pretty much all the combinations are available to configure your booking system. And the next is additional attendees. If you are building this chat for a clinic, the admin will be receiving the bookings and the user will be receiving the notification. You can also invite an additional attendee. So that will be a doctor maybe. So you can use the doctor's email ID and the name so that the doctor also will get a notification about this appointment. So that will be saved on their calendar as well. And the next one is the response data. So after a successful appointment booking, the data will be saved as a variable for further use. So here that will be saved date in variable. So I can save like booked date. Then I can send this data back to the user as a confirmation message. And the next one will be save slot in variable. Okay, saved slot, and then that's it. Then you can also save the save slot ID, save slot link, for example, save booking ID and a description also. You can actually try out and see what it is. Right now, I'm just using book date and saved slot. So that's all. Now, so after this configuration module, I can send back another quick reply module with thanks, your appointment is confirmed. And then I can give a date or saved variable, which is booked date. And next one, time will be the saved slot. And then I can send another message like reschedule, cancel, and book new, and connect this edge back to the group 2 so that it will automatically dictate and the option will be available automatically. So that's it. The chatbot is ready. So if you have any doubts regarding this appointment booking implementation with Google Calendar, feel free to comment on this video. We will be releasing more amazing features in coming weeks. So make sure you have followed this YouTube channel. Thank you.